Hello and welcome to How to Play Canfield, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Canfield. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with one player. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. 13 cards are dealt face down into a pile known as the stock. Turn the top card of the stock pile face up. The next card from the deck is placed face up to form the first foundation pile. Deal the next 4 cards from the deck face up in a horizontal row to the right of the stock pile. These 4 cards form the layout. The remaining deck will be used as a draw deck. The object of the game is to get all the cards into foundation piles. There will be 4 foundation piles, 1 for each suit. The first foundation pile was started in the setup. The other 3 foundation piles can start with the cards of the same rank as the first foundation pile. For this game, the 3s will start the foundation piles and be built up 1 rank at a time. The aces will follow the kings when building up in the foundation piles. Cards can be moved from the layout to the foundation piles. An empty space in the layout can be filled by a card from the stock pile or the draw deck. Cards from the stock pile can be moved directly to the foundation piles. Cards can be played onto the layout cards when the card being played is 1 rank lower and the opposite color suit. When playing from the draw deck, 3 cards are flipped over at a time. Only the top card of the flipped up cards can be played if possible. Cards will continue to be flipped 3 at a time from the draw deck. When a card is played from the flipped up cards, the next top card is available for play if possible. The player will continue to make moves with the goal of getting all cards into their foundation piles. If a player is able to get all the cards into their foundation piles, the game is won. If a player gets stuck with no available moves to be made, the game is lost. When the draw deck runs out, the flipped up card pile is turned over to reset the draw deck. The player can go through the draw deck as many times as needed. Cards in the layout can be moved together within the layout when the cards stay in order. That wraps up How to Play Canfield. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!